Hi everybody and welcome back to American Girl Afternoon. Today we are making plates for our dolls. Now, this didn't come out looking exactly like I wanted it to, but I will explain why in a couple minutes. So, what you need to make this project is cardboard, tissue paper, and Mod Podge. So first of all, I should have used a circle template because as you can see, my circle is lopsided. So my doll's plate got chipped or melted in the dishwasher. That's fine, I guess. The other problem was the Mod Podge. We have it. I knew we had it. It's in a container. It was, like this big. It must have been in there for a very, very long time because when I went to try to get the lid off, I couldn't get it off. And I couldn't find one of those little rubber thingies for the lids that you turn it and then it loosens like a jar lid. And I know we have one. I don't know where that went. And I thought, oh, that's okay. We have another thing of Mod Podge. We don't. We only have one. I don't know. I thought we had two. And I can't get the lid off the one. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to use some stem. And I'm just going to improvise. So I used Elmer's glue. Now it worked fine. But it's a little stickier than I wanted. It got the job done, but I would have rather used the Mod Podge. So anyway, if you don't have Mod Podge at home, you can do this with Elmer's glue. You just have to wait a while for it to dry. So what you're going to do first is you're going to cut a circle out of your cardboard. And for the making tape kits, I will use a circle template so yours don't look all wonky like mine does. You draw it, you cut it out. Then you get your tissue paper. I used 2 pieces just to make sure that I covered the whole thing, and I did. And you put Mod Podge or Elmer's glue down, and then you put your tissue paper over top of it, and then you fold your tissue paper over to the back and put down all the loose ends, and then you put Mod Podge or Elmer's glue down to catch all those loose ends so that it stays folded. And this is the other problem with the Elmer's glue, is if it's not fully dry, it might rip the tissue paper. It did that just a little bit on the side here. It's okay. It's on the corner. You're not going to see it, but you might want to, I'm holding mine, and I shouldn't be. It's not dry yet. I shouldn't be holding it up. But if you leave it to dry, you'll probably have a better success rate than I did. But this is all there is to it. If you have we only have solid color tissue paper. If you have patterned tissue paper at home, that might be even cooler. Your plates will be patterned. So that is all that there is to this. It's not very hard. And if you use a circle template and you use Mod Podge like you're supposed to, it comes out real great. I'm assuming. But either way, that's all that there is to this. I hope you make some plates for your dolls so they can enjoy their Valentine's Day treats. Have a great day.